before I started the wing is I want to put a piece of Velcro in here to hold on to the battery. The battery needs to go way far forward so I can get the proper center of gravity, and where it is there, that's not going to get it. But I've got some Velcro right here somewhere. No, I do. Okay, where's the Velcro? Okay, search time. I'll turn it off till I find the Velcro. So what I need to do is cut a piece off that's about that long, and that's the fuzzy side. Then I need to cut another piece off of the hook side, the same length. There. Then what I'll do is I'll take the battery. Those straps are worthless. They're less than worthless. Okay, take the battery and put the fuzzy side and the hook side together. So you got the tape on both sides, and then peel the tape off of one of them. If you can. There it goes. And stick that to the battery. And get it on there really good. And then peel the tape off the other piece. If you can get it off of there. Tweezers might help. Wish there was some foolproof way of getting this stuff apart, but I haven't discovered it yet. Okay, there goes that. Now that you've got that all assembled, then we take the battery and we put it right about there and press it down nice and tight, and then we peel it off, and it leaves the tape on the two sides where they belong. So when I put this in here, I just put it in there and press it down, and there it is. And then the battery door goes over that, just like that, and locks. I didn't hook the battery up, but it's in the plane. Okay, wing's the next thing. I'll be back with that. Back with the wing. You can see the tear in it. I put some hot glue in there and some super glue in there to hold it back onto the wing spar. That's that tan line there. Now, I'm not sure what I want to do with this. I think what I'll do is open it up a little bit and get some epoxy down in there. Then I'll be ready to put it back on the fuselage and ready to go flying. Be back in a minute. Some more epoxy. Let me just cut it off of there. Put this back on it. Peel the plastic off. And mix it up. That looks pretty good. Oh, there's a blue spot. Can't have that. Squeeze it down in there real good. And before this gets all the way hard, I'm going to take a knife and trim it down so it's in contour with the wing. Make sure it's all pressed in there real good. And I had a little piece left over. Let's make another ball. There it is. Okay, I'll be back in a little bit.